All right, what's going on, guys? This is Jake, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up free gifts with purchases inside of your store. So if you want to set up something like buy one, get one free, or if you want to offer a free gift over a specific order amount threshold, then I'm going to show you how you can set that up in this video. So real quick, I'm going to show you what it would actually look like. So if I just add one of these products to the cart, we can see that we have a free gift set up right here, which is currently set to once you spend $50, you will receive this free gift product. So we can see right now we have around $24 in the cart, so it's telling us to spend 26 more. So if I were to increase the quantity of this product in the cart, we can see the tracker will update. And then if I were to pass the cart threshold, we can see that now it's going to refresh the page and add in the free gift product to the cart, and it's saying that we have now unlocked a free gift. So that's how it works for the cart amount. And then let's say you wanted to do a buy one get one free. If I just clear out the cart here and if we go to this product right here, which I have the buy one get one free set up on, we can see here that if I just add one of these to the cart, it's automatically going to add a second one to the cart here for free. So I'm going to show you how you can set up both of these types of free gift offers in this video. So the first thing you need to do is head over to the App Store and search up the Easy Bundles and Volume Discounts app, or you can click the first link in the description to get this app as well. And we're going to be using this app to set up these free gift offers today. So once you install the app and open it up, this is what it's going to look like in the admin. Now, in order to use the free gifts feature, you'll have to be at least on the growth plan inside of the app. But each plan in the app does have a free trial, so you can try out the functionality. And if you don't like it, you can just cancel before you get charged. Now, in order to set up the free gifts, we can come down here to the free gifts page and then click on create. Now, there's going to be three primary different types of free gifts offers that you can be setting up. So there's spending a specific amount to get the gift. So this would be a cart value. So this is the one I showed you at the beginning of the video, where once you spend $50, you qualify for the free gift. Now you can set up something similar to that, except instead of using the cart value, you can use the cart quantity. So this would mean that the customer would have to actually add in 10 total products in order to get the free gift. And then the last one is going to be a buy one, get one. So you can use this to set up buy one, get one frees, or you can use this to set up buy one product to get another product, etc. So I'm going to show you how to set up multiple of these, and we're going to set up the ones that I had showed you at the beginning of the video. So I'm going to start out by doing the cart value one. And then you can set up the offer name right here. So in this case, we'll set up the same $50 one that we did before. So we can see that there is different conditions. So we can use cart amount, cart quantity, or specific products in the cart. So cart amount, this just means the gift is going to be added to the cart when this amount is reached. So in this case, I'm going to set it to 50, and then we can just select the gift product down here. So I could add a gift, and we can choose from different products in our store. In this case, I'll just choose this skin toner and click add. And then you could set the offer name to the product if you want. So like spend 50, get a free skin toner. And then just click on save. And that's literally it. So in order to see this on our store, though, we would actually have to go to online store. And then we need to go to edit theme. And then come down here to app embeds. And then just look for the free gifts embed right here and just toggle it on. So you can see if we went to the store and refresh the page right now, we can see that if I add something to the cart, nothing's showing up because this isn't on. But as soon as I toggle it on, click save. If we come back over here and refresh and then add something to the cart, we'll now see this showing up in the cart. So that's how you can create the minimum cart offer. Now let me show you how you can create the buy one get one. So if I were to use this template here, we can see that the condition is going to be specific products in the cart. So you can add multiple products to this. So if you were doing buy one get one free, then you would just pick one product. So for example, buy this skin cleanser, and then the gift product would also just be the skin cleanser, and then that's it. That's how you can set up buy one get one free. But maybe you want to give away like a sample pack with like any products in a specific collection, for example. So you could just specify multiple specific products here. So you could select like a bunch of different products, and then anytime that any of these individual products are purchased, then the customer would receive this gift. And you can choose how many of the gift product they will receive. So if you want to, say, give away 3 free products, you can do that here. If you want to give away multiple gift products, you can do that as well. So let's say anytime someone buys any of these products, they get multiple gifts. You can do that as well. You're not limited to just one. But in this case, we'll stick to the buy one get one free here, which is just buying one skin cleanser and then getting another skin cleanser, since this is going to be a pretty common one. Another common one is like buying X, getting Y. So you could buy like the skin cleanser and then you get a, say, toner for free. There's really no limit to how you can set it up. It's just going to be down to personal preference. We'll keep it as the buy one get one free for now, and I'll click on save. And then once we do that, if you just jump over to the store, since the app embed is already activated, all we have to do is go to this product, and then we'll see that it's now saying the buy one get one free. And if we open up the cart, we can see that now, since we have one of these in the cart, we're getting one for free. And you can have multiple gifts in the same order if you want. So you can see if I were to up this to the $50 threshold, it would now be giving us both of the free gifts, one for the cart and one for the product. Now, the next thing that I want to show you is how you can actually customize the aesthetic of this. So let's just clear this out right here. And if we jump back over to the app embed, and we actually open up the app embed by clicking the down icon here, we can see that we can actually edit the visuals. So we have the cart progress bar block, and then we have the product page block. So this is the product page block, and then this is the cart progress bar. So you can edit these right in here. So the cart progress, you can choose whether you want it before or after the cart items or in a custom position. If you want to manually insert it, you can change the different colors here. So right now, by default, we can see that the color is green, but if you wanted to change, say, the color to like this blue, you could do that. You can change the text color, font size, etc., everything in here. And then same with the product page block. So we can see right now the product page block says buy one get one free because that is the type of offer that we have. But let's say it wasn't a buy one get one free and it was just buy any of these specific products and say get a sample pack or something. You could say something like this product comes with a sample pack, or buy this, get a free sample pack. So let's say if I were to just make these changes, click save, and then jump back over to the product page, we can see now this says buy this and get a free skin cleanser. And then in the cart, we can see that the progress bar is now blue instead of green. So you can make any visual customizations you want in here. And then one other thing that I want to mention is that you can only have one cart type gift offer active at once. So for example, let's say we were to create another one, and instead of using the minimum cart value, we did the cart quantity. So in this case, it could be like add 5 items to cart to get a free gift, and we can set the minimum quantity to 5. This is going to work the same as cart amount except with quantity. And then we can just set the gift to be like this moisturizer here. And if I were to click save, we'll see that it is going to let us know that only one cart based offer can be active at a time. So if I were to jump back over to the store and then click on refresh, we can see that the first offer, the $50 free gift offer, is still active here. But if I were to jump over here and switch this one to disabled and then enable the new one, and then we go over here and refresh again, we'll see now it's saying add 4 items to get a free gift. So it would work the same if I were to increase the quantity here to 5. We can see that that makes us unlock the free gift as well. So that's how you can set up free gifts and buy one get one free offers inside of your Shopify store. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. Be sure to check out the Easy Bundles and Volume Discounts app by clicking the first link in the description or searching for it directly in the App Store. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel for more videos, and I'll see you guys in another one.